That's right, folks, first half main event, and we have the gold on the line. The Hit in the Turnbuckle Championship. Big shout out to all the folks at HTTB, Hit in the Turnbuckle. Of course, buckle up, celebrating our partnership with them. Mark Trew not having the best career here in Ignite Wrestling Pro, but every time he's pushed back a step, it's been at the hands of the same man, the thorn in his side for his entire career. But the most popular man in Ignite Wrestling Pro for our entire history. There is only one. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second before Smashing Mike can even leave the entrance ramp. Mark Trew taking the fight to the Smashing One. Diving forearm from Mike. And the man that has been hitting the Turnbuckle Championship holder since last September. If he gets through this, he'll be on for almost a full calendar year. But much as Mark Trew tried to take the fight to Mike, Mike is fighting back, showing you why he's been the champ for so long. Now, both men finally back in the ring. Bell rung, oh, but drop toe hold sends Mike into the turnbuckles. Sends Mike hitting the turnbuckles, if you will. That's irony for you. Ducks a clothesline. Oh, big double foot stomp. Standing double foot stomp from Trew into the pin. But only a 2 count. Oh. Falling knee bar from Trew. But as we've seen time and time again, the more damage, the more punishment that Smashing Mike takes inside an Ignite Wrestling Pro ring just serves even more for the fans to fire up and cheer for their favorite. Oh, big kick. Oh, double foot stomp. Mike back in. So far, this has been all Mark Trew. Fighting back though. Curse of the commentator. Oh, that's a high capoeira kick from Trew. Diving cannonball into the pin. 1, 2. Kick out at 2. Oh, Mark Trew scuffing the face with his boots. Just disrespect. Oh, and now biting the digits, biting the fingers of Smashing Mike.
Shut your mouth, you
And I think the game plan well and truly on display right now for Mark Trew. Swift kick right to the leg and taking the legs out of the Smashing one. And you take away the legs, that's all that explosiveness in the offense of Smashing Mike, that gets taken out.
Shut your mouth, Mike ain't winning.
Trying to get him up with that small package, pile driver potentially. Oh, a headbutt to the spine. Right between the shoulder blades. Picks him up. Oh, reversal, reversal. Head scissors sends Trew right outside the ring. Smashing Mike spending the lion's share in this match on the back foot. Oh, and again, just as he was looking to get back into it, a couple of headbutts again from Trew. Kick out at 2 from Smashing Mike again, and you see right now, Mark Trew just showing so much frustration. The man that has been a thorn in his side for his entire Ignite Wrestling Pro career. The man who has never been able to beat Smashing Mike. Well, to be fair, not many people have. But not many people have had as many chances at it as Mark Trew. And are we seeing those signs of frustration, the signs of desperation from Trew? Springs up. Oh, wait. Going for a suicide dive, but got caught. Vertical suplex from Smashing Mike with authority. You see how much that one caught Mark Trew. He was going for that diving move and Mike managed to catch him, pluck him from mid-air and suplex him. Mike floats up and over. Off the ropes, goes low, goes high, goes low again, goes high again. Turns around into a crossbody, into the pin. 2, kick out at 2. Just listen to this crowd becoming alive, becoming unglued for the Smashing one, for the Hitting the Turnbuckle champion. Ducks 1. Here you go, Hurricane Rana takeover. Look at the cockiness, the confidence, the swagger from Smashing Mike.
How we don't get told you've done that dumb chant?
Mike was looking for game over, but oh, Trew put himself in the ropes, managed to get a rope break and then a back elbow. Oh my goodness. Trew taken down there. It's like both these guys know each other so well. They have everything scouted.
Mike, come on. Get him in. Come on.
Now Trew up on the apron.
Yeah, bring him back in the ring. Easy work.
Mike looking for a deadlift suplex right now. Picks him up. Oh my goodness. Deadlift suplex outside in, into the pin. 2, kick out from Trew again though. Folks, you have no idea how hard that is for Mike to suplex Trew from that position. Trew with a much lower center of gravity. Smashing Mike being forced to power out the entire body weight of Mark Trew. Got him hooked in that full Nelson, looking for the game over. Wait, reversal into the pin. Jackknife kick out from Mike. Oh, boot up. Oh, and just a moment of cockiness just costing Mark Trew there, wanting to showboat to the crowd. And that just gave Smashing Mike the opportunity to get a shot in. Goes up high. Oh, wait. Oh, Avalanche Hurricane Rana. Oh, headbutt from Trew. Oh, lariat from Mike. Smashing Mike running on fumes right now. But he don't get tired. He don't do bum weight. Rolls him over into the pin. Wait, what? Mike getting a bit cocky right now.
You ain't missed the spot. I'm built different. Come on.
Mike is built different.
Hooks him in. Counter again though for the game over. Folks, I hate to say it, Mike had him beat right there. It was Smashing Mike that lifted the shoulders deliberately of Mark Trew. Mike had this beat. Oh, got caught into the powerbomb. 2, kick out. Oh, Meteor into the back of the head. And look at this now, Mark Trew now firing on all cylinders. Showing the desperation. Shooting star press from Mark Trew. We have a new champ. New champion. Mark Trew, the first man to beat Smashing Mike since he became the Hit in the Turnbuckle champion last September. Oh my goodness, folks, what have we just witnessed? Smashing Mike had this beat. He had this beat. And instead he tried to get cocky, tried to show off to the fans. Mark Trew recovers, picks up the win and dethrones the first ever Hit in the Turnbuckle champion. And the history books rewritten today as we have our second ever champ at Buckle Up 2.